Yo, what's up, guys? The Mike Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, yeah, shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to tune into my channel. Okay, thank you for your likes, your comment. Okay, I really appreciate you all. Thanks very much. Okay, so for today, I don't want to waste much of your time. I just want to drop some tutorial concerning the comment I had on my inbox. Okay, someone was asking chord shape. Okay, someone was asking I can move chord shape. So I'm going to make the video very simple and smart for you guys to watch. Okay, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video, and if you like the video, you can smash the like buttons. If you have any challenges, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, I will give you a reply as soon as possible. So at first, it's very easy, but one thing you need to know is that you need to make sure you know your chord very well, and you know your keys very well. Okay, irrespective of the key you are playing on. Okay, we have different keys on the fretboard. We have this is the open A strings. Open A string, B flat, B, C sharp, okay, D, E flat, or you can call it D sharp or E flat, then E, F, F sharp, G sharp, A, B flat, and B. Okay, then you continue C there. Okay? So you need to know your key very well, and you must make sure that you are able to hold a particular chord, maybe your full bar chord or your half chord, but that will prevent you can hold your full bar chord, stuff like this. Okay. This is what I'm playing. I'm playing the one chord now. How to move your chord, how to move to the next chord, very easy. Okay, number one thing you need to know is that at first, know the chord you want to hold, either your 4 chord, your 5 chord, your 6 chord, which is your va, your la, or your so. Okay, at first know the chord you want. Just like I want to go to my 4 chord now, which is the 4 chord. Okay, which is the va. I'm playing the key of C. The key of C. Okay, that's the key of C. So, if I want to go to my 4 chord now, already I know my 4 chord very well. Okay, I know which finger is going to each strings. I know the fingers that are going to each strings. Okay, like your 4 chord now, this my middle finger. Okay, is going to the third. Okay, it's going to the third. Why my ring finger and my pinky is going under my ring finger is going on the fifth. Okay, which is the la. Which is the do. While my pinky is going under, which is the va. Okay, which is the va. Okay. So now I know my index finger is going to the third note, which is the mi. Okay, now for instance, okay, it's going to this third. This third now is the la in the key of C. Okay, now I know that very well. I want to hold a bar chord now. I want to hold a bar chord. So I will make sure my first finger goes straight. It's going straight on the fretboard. Okay, from the root, from the 6th. Okay, so what I will do is that as I'm changing the chord, as I'm moving to the next chord, I make sure I keep my fingers intact. Okay, I make sure I keep my fingers intact. My ring finger, my pinky is always like this. Okay, it's always like this. Make sure 2 of them go together at the same time. Okay, so that you can be able to put them on the fretboard very easy. Okay, so that is one of the ways you can start understanding how to very easy how to change chord. Okay, progression very easy. So when I go into my 4 chord now, I just hold my just take my finger. I know my ring finger is going to my 4 and my ear is going to my. I just play that once. Okay. Then if I'm going to my 6th chord, which is the la, Now I know that my ring finger and my pinky is only playing fifth and fourth, the same fret, okay, the same fret, just like this, the same fret. So I know my first finger, okay, my index finger, yes, sorry, my first finger is going to the full bar chord here, okay. My first finger is bound from the sixth, okay, to the sixth here, to the first string here. So I make sure as I'm going, my first finger is already going to the to bar the first to bar the fret there from the sixth to the first note now. Then I know my ring finger and my pinky finger is going to the fifth and the fourth string, okay? So I just strum it as one. That is one of the easiest way you can start understanding a chord movement, okay? Chord changes, okay? How to change chord, very easy. Like someone, when you're going to the next chord, always have in mind the fingers that are placing the strings, each of the strings in particular. Okay, just like playing a half chord like this. Okay, just like playing a half chord like that. So you know very well that your ring finger is going to the fourth string, while your index is going to the third. Then your first finger is buying between the first and the second string. So when you just go, you try you go it out. So you can play it all over the fretboard. Okay? Without making any mistakes, okay? You can just... So what you do is that you try as much as to understand this method. When you understand this method, you put them in practice in as much as you want an accurate chord changes, okay? What you will do is that when, like this saw now in the key of C, this is Va, so Va, okay? You have your C here again. You have your C here again, okay? And use that shape, okay? You know, just walk it down, walk it down, walk it down. Okay, so that is some easiest way you can start understanding how to, do chord changes very easy on your songs, on your music, anything you're playing, on your guitar, okay? Alright guys, so if you find this video interesting, I'd like you to hit the like button, okay? Like I said, if you have any challenges, drop it on the comment section and I will give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.